I am talking about how to use COVID-19 right now to survive. How can you take advantage of something so horrible as COVID-19 so you can actually get more attention? What is your strategy? First things first, people ask me if they should be doing Facebook or YouTube or which one they should be doing. They should be doing both. Right now, Facebook has its own audience and YouTube has their own audience. So if you're not on both platforms right now, then you're missing out. I have been talking about my battle plan, recap of my battle plan for 2020 COVID-19. Communicate with omnipresence. What does that mean? Be everywhere at the same time. God-like on social media. LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram TV, stories on Instagram, stories on Facebook. You want to be on Pinterest. You want to be on YouTube. You want to be in as many places as you possibly can, especially because these platforms are absolutely free to utilize. Second, don't ignore reality. If you pretend like nothing is going on, people are not going to pay attention as much. If you pretend that the world has not dramatically changed, people are going to feel you are unreal. You want to talk with reality. You want to let them know what's going on with you so you can actually help them and provide value with your business, your message, your products, and your services. Be real about who you are, what you're doing, and how you are trying to help them in this very difficult time that we're all going through right now. Be a stabilizing influence. What does that mean? In other words, do not be a Debbie Downer. Make sure that you're providing value that is inspiring, that is educational, that is entertaining. It is not something that is actually making people feel worse about the existing state of affairs. Don't worry about it. The media is already doing that. You don't have to worry about bringing them down anymore. The media, that's their job. Your job is to bring them up to compensate for what the effects of the media is, all right? So make sure you have that in place. Providing value. Providing value means what is your superpower? What is your number one skill? How can you help people? How can you make the world a better place? If you have a business, if you have a service, a product, a system that can be utilized to improve something, you have a superpower that you can utilize to make people better. Figure out what that superpower is. And if you have that superpower figured out, then that's how you provide value. You have to open up your doors. I am talking about how to use COVID-19 right now to survive. How can you take advantage of something so horrible as COVID-19 so you can actually get more attention? What is your strategy? Talk with reality. Be a stabilizing influence. Provide value. Build audiences. Guys, right now we are doing some incredible things with audience building. Some things that I have never even dreamed about, all right? So for example, if you look at my dad's content, if you go to YouTube, all right, and you check out my father, or if you go to Facebook and you check out my father, his name is Frank Suarez. We have a brand called Metabolismo TV. If you search this individual out, you will see what we're doing. Actually, in fact, he's probably live right now as we speak. Let me see. Is he live? He actually might be live at the time that we are recording this because he's absolutely walking the talk himself. So we are putting a lot of content out there every day that is real to them. Right now, we have 2.37 million subscribers on YouTube, but that's not the point. We have had great growth for 8 years since we've been building that channel, since we uploaded the first video 8 years ago. Consistency is the key, but right now, the pace that we're growing is unheard of. It's unprecedented. In the last 28 days, we have gathered 235,000 new subscribers, and we're getting over 27 million views just on YouTube and another 25 million views on Facebook. Because of that, there's no virus that can bring us down. No COVID-19 will affect what we have going on in our business. So when you get attention, you can actually continue growing no matter what situations the world is presenting to you that you cannot escape from. It's all about capturing that attention. So what did we do with this individual? With my father, we started being more omnipresent. We started getting him in front of more platforms. He started being on more platforms than ever before. He's doing Facebook and YouTube lives every single day. So in his case, he's been doing videos like this consistently for years, but we have stepped it up to another level. And because of that, the content has resonated with a lot more people. Omnipresent, he has talked with reality. He's talked about from his area of expertise, how can he help people do better and feel better about themselves and their bodies. He's been doing that. He's been talking about providing value. He's been overall following this exact formula, and now we have more audiences than we ever dreamed about. To give you a comparison to this particular point, 235,000 subscribers. It took us about 6 years to get to 235,000 subscribers. From 0 to 235,000. Now, in 28 days, we got 235,000 new ones just this month alone. But if you want to go back to the formula here, to repeat what I have been talking about recently, if you go down this path, you communicate omnipresence, you don't ignore reality, you are stabilizing influence, you provide value, you build audiences like never before, you provide value. By doing that, you can now sell to your audiences and to your existing base. These people are the ones that you want to be able to market to and sell your products. Do not start a relationship in number one by selling your products, making offers. This is not an existing market for that. This is a market for you to be able to do all of this, provide value, and once you have them nurtured and provided value, now you can sell them something along the way. I put here, as you can see here, a point that says, become a marketing expert, which is point number 6. Why? Because if you don't know how to sell them things, all these points 1 to 5 are irrelevant, because you can create huge audiences, but if you don't figure out how to put an offer together, how to sell something of value to them, how to get them to opt into your funnels, into your customer journey, then it's all for naught. So you got to make sure that you know how to put an offer in front of them. And you can accomplish that by becoming a marketing expert.